Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of campus shoes and also going to share my initial impressions on the same. So, as you know, if you are following my channel, I buy a lot of shoes. This is something which I like very much. And when I was surfing through online, I find this model to be pretty popular, the campus first one. So I just wanted to try this. This is basically a ripoff of Nike Joyride, where you can see these energy beans on the heel. Okay. So initially I was not sure like how functional this is. Maybe the design, like nowadays you see the same design you can see in several brands. But I just saw so many positive reviews about this and thought of buying this. And also, uh, the design is good. It looks very good. So that is something which is very good about these shoes. It is available in several colors. I also like the main one, the white one with green and orange base. That is also very good, but I thought white would get very dirty pretty quickly, and hence bought these gray ones. So overall, the size I just have a small complaint about size. It is slightly bigger. Like usually with any Puma, Reebok, Nike, I would go with size 9, but this was slightly bigger for 9. Okay, so like on the heel side, it is slightly loose. That is something which I've seen with these shoes. The length and all, it's perfect, but just on the heel side, it's slightly loose. Maybe it's just with my feet. And like overall, like these cheap shoes are always very durable. That is what I've seen with my experience. Whenever you buy something cheap, though they compromise a bit on comfort, they would never compromise on the durability side. Okay, and this looks no different. The quality looks good, but also it looks durable. Okay, and it's very lightweight. That is something which I want to add. This is pretty light, so for anyone who is going to use them for regular walking and jogging purposes, this will serve the job. Okay, they are very good, very lightweight. I got this for 1,350 rupees, but the usual pricing is around 1,500. But when I just bought this, there was some offer going on, and I got this for 1,350 rupees from Mintra. It's a good deal, so you can just look at this if you want.